Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra, and today I want to show you the goodies I got in my latest Planners Anonymous subscription box. This is chapter 11 in the chapter series, and it's Sweet Soiree. Okay, so this is the box it came in. My box came perfect this time. There's no damage to it, so that's amazing. It has bubble wrap on top, like the big ones. I'll probably save those for my kids because they love those. So one thing that I was kind of curious over was my stuff was in the wrong packages. And my box was open. So I'm wondering if maybe somebody had opened it to see what was inside. That was kind of curious. I was like, that's interesting. But everything was accounted for, so that's good. So let's go through the papers first. So the papers are supposed to come in this one. This is Paper Lover. And when I repackage it, I usually just put the paper back in the large envelope. I have the papers here. They're really pretty. This is like my color palette. I love purple. So the first one is the Ballroom, which is really pretty. And the back of that is a blue color. The next one reminds me of 27 Dresses. It's the one with all the dresses in the closet, and that's a greenish background, kind of like a turquoise color. The next one is this balloon and confetti paper with a pink background. The next one is I want to call it a journaling one, but it's got the pictures and the cupcakes and the bows. That also has like a purpley pink background. And then the Easter Lily, the star of the show. And the back of this is, this pretty orangey brown color. That's actually really pretty. I really like this one. This looks like fun. I have a binder in mind for it too. I'm kind of excited. Okay, so this one is also really neat. This is the vellum. I haven't seen something like this. I really enjoyed this actually. Okay, and then the acetate is kind of how they've been doing all of the acetates recently. The clear front part, and then the bottom has the flower in white printing. I don't know if I'm a fan of that at the bottom because it doesn't provide any decoration, so I'm kind of like, I wish they had the whole acetate full of like printing, or like I'm kind of missing like the foil, the gold and silver foil. But that's just me. So that's it for the papers. Okay, so then next I've got my stamps. So again, the Easter Lily, and you can make like, if you put them side by side, you can make a beautiful little border at the bottom of your page, and it says, just add sprinkles, happy birthday, chapter 11 for chapter 11. And the mannequin, and it's just really cool, and all of these little icons at the bottom. Okay, then we have the journaling cards. So this one says, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. It's got the Easter Lily on the back, the watercolor Easter Lily with the smush painting, which almost looks 3D. Ready, set, shop, and splurge. Splurge. And then this has the mask. I love that. That's so cute. Okay, then this one has a mic. Life is sweet, enjoy every bite. And this is like the journaling one, and then I like these ones. So this has the balloon heart. These are the journaling cards. So this one says, what is your favorite birthday memory? And my birthday wish is. So I mean, this would be a good one for my birthday. Actually, it's in March, but we'll see. It would be kind of a pretty kit to use for a birthday celebration. Okay, then the next thing that came in this is the die cuts. So you get one of the art cards, and this is Joy. She is the party planner. And we'll go through a few of the die cuts here. These look very colorful, and I think I already love them. So here's Joy. There's a large copy of her, and then a whole bunch of these balloons. The pretty dress. Like, this is so gorgeous, you guys. It's the pretty dress on a mannequin. Then the cutout cupcake with a picture frame. An invitation. That's so pretty. You can write in there. A mixer. Some champagne and glasses and a stand. Then the cake. A little evening, what do you call that? Like a chaise. I like that. A balloon. A mask. I love that. A bow. Another flower. A champagne glass, I think. Champagne glass with something in it. or maybe it's like a ice cream, like a sorbet or something. Eggs for baking. You've got another lily. I like that they're like pink and purple and blue. Then the mic, the icing thing that you use to ice the cupcakes or whatever with. Another masks, a bowl set, and another bow and a pair of shoes. There's a few left in here, but I mean, the general gist of this kit, I think it's quite lovely. This might be a good contender for my March setup, actually. It's really pretty. And I have a really nice binder to go with this too. Same color. I think it's going to be really pretty. Okay, so now let's go through the planner lever. I'm going to go ahead and open all of the washi tapes, and then we'll go through and show you everything. All right, you guys, here we are. So again, I just wanted to point this out, but the paper lever comes with one art card. This one, they're from two different suppliers. So planner lever, you can see the difference here, right? This one is like shiny, this one is not, and this one, the color is so much more brighter and vivid. So I just wanted to point that out. They're from two different suppliers, which I find is a little weird, but I do get it. And it is nice to have that variation, I think. So if you wanted to use them both at the same time in a different planner, that's always an option. But this one is just so pretty. Okay. So then you also get two notepads. So this one is actually a notepad. It does not have any stickiness on it, just simply like a little note that you can rip off and give to somebody, like a grocery list, for example. And this one is the sticky notes. Okay, it looks like a little crumpled piece of paper that's ripped, and then it's got your little flower on there. Okay, so those are really pretty, and this format stays the same throughout all of chapters, but the flowers and the colors change. And I love grid. It's like my favorite. Okay, and then we have the bookmark. So these are hole punched. So what I'm going to do is something that Sammy did. She took each of them from each of the kits and wrapped it in the washi tape from that month, and then she put the charms on. I think I'm going to do that too. I think. I haven't decided yet, but I think I might. And it's going to be kind of cool. But that's something that you can do with those. Okay, and we're going to show all of the washi. I always swatch the washi tapes. So I'm missing, oh, there he is, a little tiny one. So I'm going to do this for you, and then we will be right back. Guys, so this is the washi tape swatched. Again, sticking to the same theme. You've got your really skinny one with words on it, your paint smush, your journaling one, and then the ripped washi tape with the flowers on it. And then this one is a bit different. It's balloons and it's going up and down. I think that's a nice touch to have one that's vertical. I know when I plan in my Planner Perfect notebooks, I like to washi tape the edges. And one like this is perfect for, like, it doesn't matter what direction you use it, but it's nice to also have a vertical one every now and then. Okay, so that's it for the washi tape. And then we move on to the stickers. So I only open one at a time here. First side, these are the decorative ones, and then the weeklies come right after. So the first one, we're having a party. Here's Joy, the flowers. You've got the clear flower page. It says celebrate the night away. Isn't that so pretty? There's a second clear page with flowers. And I love these corner ones too. And then you've got the minis. And this one's also cut out, which is a nice touch. It's a very nice feature. Okay, and then you've got a whole bunch of headers, some empty boxes. This is the word Fetty page. The empty boxes, so large kind of square ones, and then like, I guess, half boxes. And then the large planner sticker, the word speech bubbles, and then the little icons and the round stickers. And the last page on this side is a full page, full sticker sheet, and you can rip it up or cut it up or whatever you want to do with it. And it's pretty. It's got the Easter lilies on it. Okay, so now the next side is your weekly kits. So this number one, I believe, was a bonus. I think that's a bonus one. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3 to 0 and twice repeating. And you've got those as well. So that's kind of cool. And then, so the first one, we're getting ready for the party. So here's the baking one. And then, okay, so you've got the week. and it's the baking one. Okay, and then this is the decorative one to follow. So you've got some more baking stuff, which is so cute. You can write in this box here. The next one is getting dressed. Here's that pretty dress again. Isn't it so pretty? The days of the week, and then the one to follow. And then this is the Soiree. So shine bright, today is your day. This is the decorative page. I love these colors, like that globe, it's so pretty. Okay, and then the last one is the journaling page. And then the flowers, which is also the decorative page for the last week. And then you get one more full sticker sheet. I love this pattern. Okay, and that is it for Sweet Soiree. So I enjoy this. I want to use this for March, I feel like, for my birthday. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little glimpse at Planners Anonymous, Chapter 11, Sweet Soiree. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!